May I come in, sir?
Please come in.
Good evening, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
So, my name is Aditya Singhdeo. I come from Keonjhar district of Odisha. I have done my matriculation from Nirmala Convent School, Keonjhar. Then I did my intermediate from DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar. And then I pursued integrated MSc in chemistry from NIT Rourkela.
You are most a
My
top scorer in every exam you have faced.
Thank you,
Top
sir.
scorer.
Thank you, sir.
Acha, what are you doing now?
Sir, after my post graduation, I started preparing for civil services. So
Preparing.
I have been
This is
preparing.
how many attempts?
Sir, at OPSC, this is my second attempt,
Second attempt.
first interview.
First attempt in interview.
No, no, sir, I missed by a few marks in prelim stage.
Oh, this is your second interview attempt also.
No, no, first interview. Previous attempt
Acha, written में
at
थोड़ा
prelims.
You hail from a royal family, Singhdeo.
Yes, sir, a descendant
Descendant.
of royal family.
Acha.
Not Keonjhar, Khorswa, Saraikela region.
Oh, you have taken anthropology as your subject.
Yes, sir.
How come it is?
Sir,
Why not chemistry?
Sir, after studying for 5 years, I felt I need to change my perspective towards the society that I will be serving.
Have you taken your lunch today?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You taken your lunch?
Yes, sir.
What you have taken?
So, rice, dal, sago, ଆଉ ପୋଟଳ ଆଳୁ ତରକାରୀ.
Putral bhaja nature. What is its nutritional value?
So, if I talk about rice, then I get carbohydrates from it. Then dal, protein, and from potato also carbohydrate, and the potolo I get vitamins and minerals, vegetables.
Are you conscious about your health?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
We all should be.
When you choose diet as per your by being health conscious, or you took it routine in a routine manner?
So,
When you-
no routine manner the way Odia family.
What is anthropometry?
So, anthropometry is basically we use statistical tools to measure the skull size and the if I am to give the cranial index, the nasal index, orbitonasal index. So we measure these anatomy of the human and study about how they have evolved over the
How you will utilize your knowledge about anthropology in case of your selection in the civil service?
So, anthropology has helped me gain information about the tribal population, primarily about how their situation is different from the mainstream society. And so, I will be more empathetic towards them and take a more integrationist approach about and not force them to adapt to the mainstream society, help them take their opinion and then formulate a plan accordingly.
You will be
And
empathetic or sympathetic?
empathetic, sir.
Okay.
Empathetic and compassionate.
Yes.
Then regarding the society, it also helps me gain about the situation of society, how the caste and classes system work. So it will help me to gain a more bird's eye view of how the society is. So accordingly, it will help me in planning as well as implementation purpose also.
Do you know Mohan Bhagat?
Sorry, sir,
About his recent statement, RSS का head
sorry.
Mohan Bhagat.
Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, but
Yes.
I am not aware of what his statement is.
His statement came out very boldly in all newspapers that every family shall have three children. Sorry, every society shall have, every family shall have three children.
Yes, sir.
Do you subscribe to that view?
So, family is a kind of personal personal decision. Everyone should have that freedom to choose. and women should have that freedom to choose how many children they want to bear. And compulsory 3 child or 2 child or
No,
one
no,
child
not
policy
compulsory.
won't.
This is a suggestion.
Yes, sir. He
Ha-
might be.
In which context have you gone through it? No, you have not gone through his
So
speech.
it might be because of the demographic dividend might like after peaking at 2047 around, then we might have aging crisis. The aged population will
Yes,
be
you are catching.
will explode.
What is the
So the
total
three
percentage of youth population in India?
youth population, I don't know the exact rate, but it is greater than the aged
No, what is the
and child
percentage?
population.
I'm not exactly asking the
The percentage I don't remember, sir. I
which
am
age
not
group
able to.
you consider them as youth. Which age group?
15 to 59 years.
50 to
The
15 to 59 years.
youth, not working age population, youth might be
15 to
it around
35.
from 20 to
15 to
30.
35, na? Youth. 15 to 35. 15 to 60. No, that is productive. That is different.
Working age
No, no,
population
youth population. Youth is
30 35,
35.
peaking around late 20s and early 30s. It
What
will
is the
peak.
present population of India?
Present it is around 1.41 billion.
Have we surpassed China?
Yes, sir. According to UN, we have surpassed it.
Why other Western countries are worried about declining population?
Declining population. So, a country is run mostly by the working age population. So, if the population declines or the aged individuals increase, so that is a burden on the country since they have to provide the healthcare services as well. So, countries are worried about that. Example, Japan is worried because aged population is increasing there.
Do you know about voter list? Voter list.
Voter
Voter
list.
talika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is that?
So it is a list of all the persons above 18 years of age in that area who are eligible to vote for both
Who are eligible to
legislative.
vote? What is
18
the prescription? What is the ceiling on a? What is the age limit for getting into the voter list?
18 years for now.
18 years onwards.
Yes, sir. 18 and 18 plus.
Do subscribe to the view that the voter list should be revised annually.
So there are two perspectives to it. If revised annually, it might be a burden on the administration. But if it is revised annually, then it will be better for keeping a check on the political
It is revised
scenario.
annually. It is revised annually because new voters, how they will be added every year. Those who are above 18 are to be included in the voter list.
Sorry, sir.
So that is called summary revision. But there is now controversy regarding SIR,
Yes, sir.
SAR, Special
Intensive
Intensive
revision.
Revision. Why it is so?
Because ECI is on a mission to revise the voters list to eliminate bogus voters who have duplicate Aadhars and all, and some immigrants have also acquired the voter cards. So ECI wants to filter out those people. So, and it is under controversy because many political parties are not do not agree with
Why, why,
what.
why, why so?
If I am to take a political opinion, then some parties benefit from immigrants' votes as well, and some parties find it controversial because they see it as opposition, the imposition of the ruling party on them. So that's
Then
why.
do you favor that all the dead voters should continue to remain in the voter list,
No, no, dead voters have to be in annual.
so that the fake voters will be able to vote in their name?
In annual summary revision, even if new voters are added, then old and dead ones have to be removed. They are also removed
So
in
the
an
vote
exam.
chori concept coined by Congress,
Sir,
is it a political acronym or what?
sir, I couldn't
Vote
hear it.
chori.
Vote?
Vote chori. Vote chori. Rahul Gandhi
Vote
says that
chori.
it is vote
Acha.
chori. BJP and ECI are indulging in vote chori.
Uh, sir,
ମାନେ ଭୋଟର ଲିଷ୍ଟରୁ ବାଦ ଦେଇକି ନା ଭୋଟ ଚୋରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରୁଛି କଂଗ୍ରେସ ଆଉ ଅଦର ପାର୍ଟି ସବ୍ ଅପୋଜିସନ୍ ପାର୍ଟି।
so I agree. So what was the question? I couldn't. Can you repeat it, sir?
Congress, all along with other opposition parties, are claiming that the ECI, Election Commission of India, in connivance with BJP, is indulging in vote chori by preparing a voter list and deleting some genuine voters from the voter list. But the Election Commission stand is that we are only weeding out ineligible voters.
Yes, sir.
What is your views in this context? Do you agree to that, or it is simply a political propaganda?
Sir, it might be a political propaganda because ECI is doing its duty. But if ECI is um, uh, what if it is getting motivated politically by the ruling party, then it is wrong in case of ECI. What is the actual matter? We still don't know whether ECI is non-partisan in its mission or not.
So you are an engineering student. That is
Sir,
a chemistry student of
MSc.
chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Especially in respect to district, your degree has much very much relevance
Yes, sir.
because it is a mineral bearing district.
District, yes,
What
sir.
is your vision for development of future?
So,
For
since
having
it,
that resources in view,
so,
where your district is endowed with, but it is abundantly rich in mineral resources.
yes, sir.
What is your vision? How you want to utilize those mineral for development of the district, of the state?
So the minerals could be better utilized if we install more iron and steel plants in the vicinity, and if we could go to scale those companies, then we can tap the external market along with domestic market as well. And presently, although we are rich, Keonjhar is rich in minerals, but most of the population is involved in agriculture. So first of all, the since agriculture is a greater it employs more people, so presently we should try shifting some of the people and make skill them so that they can work in these industries and help them scale.
There is a PGT in Gujarat district.
Yes, sir. Two of them are two of the tribes are PVTGs.
Name them.
Juang tribe and Podi Bhuya tribe.
What are the special schemes quoted for them for their development?
Sir, what for special
Special schemes,
schemes?
schemes
Schemes. Okay, sir.
of government.
For national level, we have PM Juga Mission, which helps in holistic development of their socio-economic conditions, like proper infrastructure should be provided, health, education and all, and they should be trained in their livelihoods, market linkages to help them add value to their minor forest produce collection, and to skill them so that they can tap into other areas as well apart from I mean those members who don't want to continue their traditional livelihood, they can pursue administration and all areas. And then Mukhyamantri ji Janajati Jivika Mission of Odisha government, so it is helping to improve their livelihood.
Okay, my last question. After Saha Commission report about illegal mining activities, Gujarat got a lot of DMF, district minerals. Is there any visible development by utilizing that money in Gujarat district? District mineral fund.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not aware of the commission or the situation, but
Forget about the commission. Are you aware about DMF fund or not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the projects that have been taken up in your district out of DMF fund?
Sir, first a library is constructed where free books are available for students to read, and so only I
This
know
was
about the
only.
library. No, no, then maybe many more projects, but I'm not aware presently.
Yes.
What are your hobbies?
So I have a keen interest in reading books, mostly fiction books, and mindful drawing.
Tell name of two great Indian authors who write in English.
I have read books of Amish Tripathi. He writes more about mythological legends, and secondly, I have read the book of
From Odisha,
Devadatta.
who is the author who is very popular nowadays?
Odisha. I don't know. I know Odia authors, but I haven't read them.
Odia authors.
Odia authors who write in Odia, then
Not Odia authors who write in English.
I'm not aware of them, sir.
You have not
Of the
heard about
names.
Devdutt Patnaik.
Yes, sir. Devdutt Patnaik I know, but I
He
didn't
is
know that he
Odian.
was from Odia. Sorry, sir.
Huh? He is very much from Odisha. Okay. And Odia authors writing in Odia? Tell two or three names of great poets of Odisha.
Kuntala Kumari Sabar, madam. Pratibha Rai, Dr. Pratibha Rai.
She is a story writer or poem writer? Or?
Dr. Pratibha Rai, she writes stories.
Okay.
And Kuntala Kumari Sabat, she writes poems also.
What Kavi is Kuntala Kumari Sabat?
So,
What is the adjective added to Kuntala Kumari Sabat? Like like Swabhav Kavi Gangadhar Mehra. So Kuntala Kumari Sabat is Nari Kavi.
Nari Kavi.
Because that time very few women were writing. That's why she was Nari Kavi. Okay. You remembered any poems written by Kuntala Kumari Sabat?
Right now, I don't remember.
You have heard about them or read them?
Dr. Pratibha Rai, I have read a story that was in school, so I haven't.
Okay.
I have an interest in reading Odia literature as well, but I haven't started.
You can't read Odia?
No, I can read, write, and converse, but
You belong to Saraikala Kharso?
no, my ancestors, my grandfather came when he was a child,
From
so I don't
Kharsa.
have any connection.
So, what you are staying now in?
Keonjhar, sir.
Keonjhar. Kharso has some relationship with Keonjhar?
The queen of Keonjhar was from Kharsua, the then queen
Okay.
when we came.
Now, in which state Kharso is there?
I believe it is in Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Saraikala, Kharso,
Yes, sir.
Chaibasa.
Chaivas,
Huh?
Jharkhand.
Do you know what is the state of Odia people staying there? What is their state of affairs? Their health, education?
So I believe it is comparatively poor when we see it in comparison to people in Odisha, living in Odisha.
You have visited those places?
No, my parents have recently visited.
You have not seen those places? Okay.
But as what they have described, I just said that.
So, what after 20 years, you are now in Keonjhar?
Yes, sir.
So, after 20 years, where do you see Keonjhar? What will be the position of Keonjhar after 20 years?
So I believe now Keonjhar is a resource curse region. I believe in future Keonjhar would be much more prominent in the Indian map as well as world map as well. Like people should talk about Keonjhar. And
Name of the village from where the present chief minister comes from? In Keonjhar?
he is elected from the Keonjhar Sadar block, but I'm not aware if he is from Keonjhar Sadar region, as I guess.
Place where he stays?
Is in the proper Keonjhar town.
Huh? He comes from a village called Raikala.
I'm not aware of it, sir.
It is in YouTube they are showing no? The village where Mohan Maji belongs to. Okay.
Yes.
You mentioned that mineral curse, right? So why you are saying it's a mineral curse?
Mineral curse because it has abundance of minerals, but we are not able to utilize them. So what is happening is that other states, they are kind of using our resources and improving their economy, state-wise economy, and while
Then
we
why
are
not
still.
nobody's able to use that?
So we don't have that much skilled manpower right now, and also we have not harnessed that technology to utilize it ourselves.
Recently, the plastic treaty, what is facing the plastic, right? Okay, the 2025 years has been named as year of what?
2025. I'm not aware of it.
Plastic treaty, which was that means the negotiation which was going on in Switzerland. But ultimately that failed, right?
Plastic
Why?
pollution.
Why India opposed that?
So what plastic
Plastic treaty. That India
plastic treaty?
treaty, right? I will not.
Sir, there were yes, sir. There were conversations regarding
So
going
what
on.
exactly went wrong and why the treaty is not comes to any kind of like form? The treaty was not able to sign. And it's a failure. It's a failure of talk. Simple. It's a failure of talk. The talk was that to have to phase out
Ban.
the plastics around the world.
Sir, phase out or ban?
Whatever you get. So what was the reason India started?
So I'm not aware of what India actually said, but if I
Rupee depreciation or appreciation? Which one is going on?
depreciation, sir.
What are the reasons for the depreciation?
So the current conflict that is ongoing between Russia and Ukraine, that is there, and the trade जो tariff increase by US, that is also affecting. So that's why rupees value is decreasing.
Then when do rupee will appreciate?
Rupee will appreciate when more and more foreign exchange would. Sorry, sir, I can't recall it right.
Let's say rupee depreciation is going on.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is aware of that. It's now 88 point something, right?
Yes, sir.
It is one of the lowest. 88.
Hmm.
So let's say what RBI will do to prevent the further depreciation?
What methods RBI will do?
What RBI will do so that the further depreciation would not happen? We will
So
at least try to put a what rate to that.
one is releasing more dollars into the market, and the other will be to relax the monetary policy, the
Okay. So
repo
you
rate.
were saying he is out of monetary policy.
Repo rate should
Operation
decrease.
Sindoor. Why the operation name? Why this name was Sindoor name? What was
So it was.
the sense to give this?
So, Operation Sindoor was a retaliation for attacking innocent tourists in Pahalgam. So, only the husbands were killed. So, they tried to attack the Sindoor, which symbolizes the long life of their husbands. So, to emotionally connect with their pain, so Operation Sindoor was named so.
Your optional anthropology.
Yes, sir.
What is Guha classification?
Guha gave a racial classification of the of Indian tribes. So he
How many types of classification did by you?
Guha gave around seven types of racial races in India.
What is
Sir?
demographic disorder? What is
Yes, sir.
demographic
Seven.
winter?
Demographic winter.
Last, right?
So I don't remember the exact
Now
definition.
last, right? How do Nama Sasana? Whether it is how to see this, or whether it can improve the governance, or it will have more challenges.
So I haven't read about Amosasana.
Start feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Start feedback. Control तुम्हें मतलब बोलते हैं कि पूरा प्रोग्रेस होगी जिला से आउटकम करेगा
Okay, sir.
टेक्निकल मैनपावर मैनेजमेंट बोलता टेक्निकल मैनपावर सोर्सिंग कैन बी सोर्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टेक्निकल मैनपावर कमिट करने की बात करते हैं कॉमन का काम इसलिए वो सोर्स उसकी पहले और से मेजर इंडस्ट्री की चलाई पेट्रोल सब भी पेट्रोल में कोई पर्टिकुलर है पेट्रोल में मालूम नहीं होता इसमें दिक्कत है सब दवा की सोसाइटी के बारे में और इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में पूरा पंद्रह ऑपरेशन शुगर में नहीं हो जाएगा लाभ है
Okay.
তারপরে রোসেস কামগুলো আমরা শুধু ফিল্ড ওয়ার্ক করি সেটা কি বলা হয় অ্যানালাইজ করো তাই তার কোকো সেক্টরটা লাগবে কোকো সেক্টর করতে আমি যদি ডিটেল পৌঁছাই দিই যদি পৌঁছাই দিই সেই সেক্টর তুমি কাউন্টার করা হয় অলরেডি তুমি তার সলিউশন রেগুলেট করি না ঠিক আছে ওরা ভালো আছে আর ঠিক আছে আমি ফোকাস করি
Okay, sir.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆନ୍ସରିଂରେ ହାଭ୍ କ୍ଲାରିଟି
Okay, sir.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଭର୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଓପନ୍ ଅପ୍ ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ
सीएसओ
Yes, sir.
one of the most prestigious school in the world.
ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଶେଖରପୁର ନାଇଁ
Interview the start you are having good career, but the point is that you need to more confidence. See, interview what would be judges, how whether you are able to handle the pressure or not.
Yes,
Because being the civil servant, you need to put and maintain and manage the people. So you need to have that but courage and clarity. So I believe that you will improve that.
Yes.
Some of the knowledge to say to the put on the boys, you need to have little bit of confidence because ମାନେ ସକାଳୁ ଆସି ତ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଯେମିତି ଡର ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ସକାଳୁ ଆସିଲାଣି
ସାର୍ ଏବେ ତ ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ରହୁଛି କେଉଁଝରର ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ହେଇଛ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି ପଛପଟେ କୋଉ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର ଏରିଆ ଫଲୋ କରିକି ଆମର ଟାଇମ୍ ନାହିଁ ଏତେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପଚାରିବ ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି ସେ ଏରିଆ ଦେଖିଦେବ ଆମର ଟାଇମ୍ ଚାଲିବ
ସାର୍ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ କେତେ ଡେପ୍ଥର ସହିତ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଓକେ ସାର୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍
ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍